Welcome everybody, Nikita here, and today I am exploring New York. I am visiting L Train Vintage and Le Point Value, which are both thrift stores in Williamsburg, New York. So come with me, and I hope you enjoy the journey.
But the Uggs and that cheap? Get them two ice. I want it for iPhone.
Huh?
Something like this.
No, because the gray one looks
Yeah, that.
quality.
Yeah, that one helps. No, pieces, no. Just no.
Huh?
No, just no.
Don't get it.
Get that. You know, so you pick up that for? I'm saying no, just no with that.
$15. I'm not seeing a size one that this can't fit me.
Can't fit you?
So can't go.
You can't go in? Or it's from one size with all type thing?
Welcome everybody, Nikita here. So in the first part of this vlog, you guys saw me up and down in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. I took a day trip out there and I went to 2 thrift stores. I went to Le Point Value as well as L Train Vintage. I got 5 items from Le Point Value, spent a total of $43, and I unfortunately did not get anything from L Train Vintage. I am so excited to go back. L Train has so many items. I was a bit overwhelmed, so I didn't get anything this time, but the next time I go, I'll definitely have a list and have my tape measure and just be more ready. I want to also go earlier in the day. That's something that I want to do. So let me just quickly show you guys the 5 items that I picked up. These were $7, and as I said, everything I got was from Le Point, and it's like everything I got was from Le Point, and it is around the corner from L Train. So they're basically one right here, and the next one is you turn the corner and you see the door right there. So these were $7, and these are some really nice boots. I've been wearing them. They had a lot of brown boots in L Train as well. To go with my boots, I got what is possibly my favorite item, and I definitely insert a photo of me wearing this because I wore this on Friday. Yes, so I'll definitely insert a picture of me wearing this because I wore this on Friday. It's this heavy duty DKNY jacket, and I've already sanitized all the items that I purchased, washed and cleaned. I really love it. It's very heavy duty. It's a midi length jacket, and this chocolate brown. This jacket also was only $15. You can believe that? Like, that's nice. Still good jacket, yeah. $15. So excited for that. I picked up 2 sweaters that are not vintage, and that's something I want to work on. I don't want to be picking up a lot of fast fashion pieces when I go to these places. Both jackets are from both sweaters, sorry, are from H&M, and both of them were $5. There's some really nice basic chunky sweaters. I have this heather gray one, and then this navy blue. Love them. Very thick, very warm. Definitely need those for this New York weather. And the last item that I pick up from Le Point is this Guess puffer jacket. Really love this regular size puffer. This one I think was $18. Yes, this one is $18 from Le Point, and I really like it. And both jackets that I got has the elastic in the waist so I can cinch. Definitely want to go back to both L Train and Le Point with a list. As I said, I went with my nephew, who he tried his best to help, but I think I definitely need to go back with a list and my tape measure. I don't think either store is doing try-ons at the moment, and I didn't want to pick up a bunch of things, and then when I got home they're not fit. So that was my concern. That was my concern. That's why I didn't get more items, but I love everything I got. I just needed basics to hold me. So I think my favorite thing is this chocolate brown, very thick, very nice DKNY jacket, outer coat, whatever you want to call it. I really love it. It is so nice. I love this color. I'm feeling browns, as you can tell from my dress today. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll definitely be doing some thrift hauls as well as getting some additional winter essentials. So if that's something that you are interested in seeing, definitely stick around. Walk good, and I'll see you in the next one. So thank you guys so much for watching today. I really hope you guys like my short haul. I'll definitely be going back to these places as well as trying other and sustainable fashion in general in the New York area. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, definitely stick around, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Walk good.